Is this the third Magneto I've bought? Yes. Yes, it is. It's the third Magneto I've bought. Will I probably buy another one? Probably.
Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave me a comment. Without further ado,
Hey! What's going on, kids? See, I threw you. It's Hyperdellic. Today, we've got something a little different. It's Magneto. All right, well, so he's a different Magneto. I got two other Magnetos. I've got like the Age of Apocalypse Magneto, and then I've got the, first wave Magneto that they suckered us into buying. Son's, he's cool. He's got like pinless joints, I want to say. This one has pinless joints too. And he also has that weird whole evening gown glove thing going on. I'm not sure how I feel about this look on him. I like the purple suit. The big giant M that makes him the purple M&M is a little weird. I'm not gonna lie, but it somehow still works for me too. I don't know what to say about it. It's an odd situation. I am digging the heck out of those head sculpts though. One of them head sculpts is going to stay on him, and one of them head sculpts is going to go on my first wave 97 Magneto. And here, we'll spin her around. There's the back. Big old picture of Magneto on there. Got all the other folks. There's your info. Okay, we're going to cut him open. Yeah. All right. Well, so far so good. Good old Magneto. Magneto, yes, I know. I don't know if like their idea of the 90s was to put that big M on his. I don't remember that being in the comics. I could be wrong. I like I've said before, I wasn't always a big comic guy. Like, I'm just now sort of dipping my toe into the X-Men comics from back in the day. It's going to take me a while to get caught up to the newer ones, if I ever do. I got so much on my plate and so many different like properties that I have to like view just for the sake of like doing reviews and stuff like that. It's like it's on the list. But I mean, I've watched the X-Men cartoons many times, and I've watched the new ones, and I love them. And I think that the new role for Magneto is kind of cool. I like the whole, maybe Charles was right, approach to it. It's growing on me. It's all right. Let's see if we get this spinning without him flipsy flopping. Yeah, that's right. I said flipsy flopping. What? You got a better word? All right. So, and there we go. See, I knew it was gonna happen. Just didn't know when. I think my stand is like tilted this way. I'm not sure. Let's see. Did I get him in the middle? No, I didn't. First time. Okay, so he comes with a few accessories, just a few. A head, which I like it, but it doesn't vibe with the new Magneto, who's supposed to be the wiser, cooler-headed Magneto. So I think I'm going to keep that one on him. The other one, and then he comes with two open hands, which I kind of like better with Magneto. So I think I'm going to switch those out before we do a close-up. But yeah, those are his hands. That's Magneto. Let's do a close-up. I have said this a few times now. I am going to keep on saying it as long as they keep this up. But Hasbro has been doing an amazing job with some head sculpts here. Look at this. Look at that face. Oh my god. Look at those eyes. Look at those doughy blue eyes. You could lose yourself in his magnetism. I love the like the hair flock, in the front, just the couple of strands that are hanging in front. That's great. The cape is excellent. It's so funny too because it doesn't match. It's not the same color, but it works. And the cape is actually really easy to pop off. You just kind of pull it off. That's it. There's a peg in the back and a peg on the cape. And put it back on. It fits loosely, but it just kind of stays and works. Good old standard Hasbro articulation. I'm going to say this much. I don't think I've ever seen the tops of shoulders like that from Hasbro. That is a little different as far as I can tell. But he's got a nice butterfly joint. Really good. Like, that works very nicely. He's got a bicep cut and a double hinged elbow. So you can do stuff like that. Right? Horizontal rockers on all of the hands. Right? Horizontal rocker. Right? We're going to switch this one out for the open hand. And if you want to see his peg hole. Gross. I'm looking at his peg hole. It's a private matter. Alright, so coming down. The two things that I hate out of Hasbro figures. This gross waist cut, but it's fine. It works actually, because this one's not so bad because the plastic is all the same, so you don't really see any interruption in that, right? And then the ab crunch, which already kind of feels loose. It's fine, but you know, it's to be expected. And you go down, let's see, yoga. See, even without stuff in the way, this Hasbro fig cannot do a full split, right? Masterverse is like one of the few figure lines that I've played around with that can do a full split. And then he's got some very nice pinless joint knees and legs. Pretty standard for everybody. Butt kicking, I mean, yeah. But he's a very basic buck, right? Like, they get a lot out of the way. He has a very simple design, you know, right down to simple boots, ankle articulation. It's all really good. It's not bad. It's not Spider-Man great, but it's good. It's good. I mean, he's definitely going to look good on a flight stand, standing up, you know, going up in the air. But yeah, I mean, that's him close up. Let's get some action shots on him. Beautiful Magneto, and we're also going to look at this beautiful Magneto, the Age of Apocalypse Magneto, with the other head on it. He looks awesome. I like it. You know, I'm probably going to keep the helmet on him though, because I don't know, it's just classic Magneto. But yeah, this one, he's so good. I gave him the Age of Apocalypse Magneto effect, and I gotta say, like, the head sculpt is amazing. The cape is really nice. I like the cape a lot. I think it's a really good sculpt. I think it fits well, folds down nicely. You know, like it's not in the way of any articulation. It's great. Again, evening gown gloves could go, but you know, I mean, out of everything that I could gripe about, I would say overall, I'm 90% in on this figure. It's just that weird shoulder that really kills me, and the purple M&M thing. But you know, listen, I could tear apart any of these figures all day, every day. I mean, so could you. We could be as negative as we wanted to. Does this figure do what it needs to do? Yes, it does. It represents this version of Magneto. Does it do it well? Yes, it does. Honestly, the joints are great. The fact that he's pinless is nice. I love the head sculpt. Come here, Magneto. Magneto, tell everybody what to do.
over here, you're going to subscribe and turn on notifications. And then you're going to like the video. Don't not like the video. If you press the down thumbs button, it's bad. Listen, that's my Magneto on the spot, okay? You leave me alone. Don't shame me. This is my video. I can do Magneto however I want. Listen, guys, thank you for joining me for this review. Thanks for subscribing. And remember, it's free. You don't have to pay for it. You can just do it. It's fine. And then you can hit my Patreon page and subscribe, and you can download some music and stuff like that. And all kinds of good stuff. All right. Thanks for coming by, guys. Have a great day. Geek proud. Stay strong in your geekness. And play lots. Play lots. Bye now.